Hello everyone. We are starting our session in a while. Please wait a moment until the participants come and we will start our session in just 2 minutes. Hello everyone. I am Karan Kumar, Public Relations Officer at Sindh Educational Organization, and I welcome you all in today's session. As you know, SEO used to host sessions on different topics: educational opportunities, scholarships, awareness, motivation, health, and much more. Today we have our guest speaker from Egypt, Ms. Nada Moustafa. Welcome, Ms. Nada. She is an undergraduate finance student at Arab Academy for Science, Tech and Transport in Egypt. She is having a lot of experience from different activities of joining different courses, internships, and student activities. She would be guiding you today on technical analysis for taking right decisions to invest. So it's over to you, Ms. Nada Mustafa.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. It's my pleasure to meet you today and give me a chance to teach you some of my knowledge today of technical analysis. Did you see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am. PPTs are visible.
Okay. Before we start our lecture or our course of technical analysis, we have to understand the market and why prices move. And does supply and demand affect our price and the movement or volatility of price? Yes. Why any market price is determined through the interaction between supply and demand. Supply is sell and demand is the power of buying. And the price always goes toward the most powerful side of both. Right? If the supply, as we see, supply wait supply refers to total number of shares who their shareholders would well sell at the point of price. It means sellers. And demand refers to total number of shares refers to buyers. Okay, that's they will want to buy shares of stocks. As we can see of these charts, when demand equals supply, it doesn't affect the market, and both buyers and sellers are satisfied. In second chart, supplies exceed demand, resulting in surplus in inventory and decrease in the price. As you can see, the point, the intersection, the price, the quantity is high and supply surplus. And third chart, why demand exceeds supply, leading to scarcity of goods and an increase in price. Tools we can use to reach technical analysis: charts, trend lines, support resistance, candlesticks, price patterns, indicators. We will not take all of these today because it's many information. We will take two candlesticks and patterns. Okay. The charts, line, candlesticks, bars. We have three types of them. They are line and candlesticks, like you can see, and bars. Okay, that's not affected my decision at all, these types, but it exists at all, so we have to learn it. And trend line appears when the price is high and transaction of buying the stocks, it make the uptrend appears. Okay, the downtrend, it appears when the shareholders sell their shares according to new information they know, or want to, they achieve the peak of the uptrend and now they want to stop loss and sell. So the downtrend, it appear. Sideways, there is no volatility make me to take a different decision. I don't know the result line will happen when. So sideways, not any, no one make decision at this point. As you see in the image, uptrend, In this case, the peak of the uptrend, the shareholders sell their stocks, okay, and يعني maybe shareholders يعني sell their stocks at the middle of the sideway because they don't want to lose more at the starting of downtrend. How can we measure the trend line strength? For 4 factors. Trend line age. As you can see, there's many candles of uptrend and sideways and downtrend. Every candle, it can be referred to weekly transactions or daily or hourly. So what is time of the uptrend? It's monthly that this organization is still in the uptrend for many months, okay, or many hours, and then it will be reverted to downtrend or not. And how many times the price touches trend line. We make a support and resistance, right? How many times the price teaches the peak of the prices and never break it out from down or the up, right? Trend line age or its slab, volume, the shareholders or the people, number of people. Today, for example, today, 5 customers or 5 shareholders buy a stock. Tomorrow, or second transaction, 6 buy this stock. After 5 days, 17 buy these stocks. So the volume is increased. So the uptrend will start. So I will buy at this point, right? And then the peak of the trend line, I will sell. Why? To stop loss, because it's sign the downtrend will happen, and I don't want to lose my money. No, I want to gain profit. Okay, support level and resistance level. As you can see, we make a limits for the volatility of the price. As you can see, I make a imagination line, okay, that I expect the price will not exceed these limits. For support, the price will not down more than this limit. Okay, top. For resistance, no, it's the peak of the price for week, for day, for months, and this for the both the seller and the buyer, right? So we make a support level, and it's very, very, very important tool to teach me or to learn me to make the decision. If the price will exceed this limit and reversal to down or to uptrend or downtrend, okay, I have a new information to buy or to sell. If the price or the volatility of the price exceed the resistance, so it may be not accurate 100% because technical analysis is not 100%, but we have 90% accurate information, 90% that it's a start trend uptrend line. So I will at this point I will buy the stock or the share, and the peak of the uptrend I will sell it to stop loss. Types of support and resistance. We have 2 types: static support and resistance, and dynamic. So static support and resistance are price levels that remain the same regardless of future trading activity. We are, there is no big volatility, all right? It's very static and very good uh, line, okay, straight line. But static support and resistance levels best identify the simply analyzing chart and seeing which price levels tend to hold. Okay, at this time, I know this point of price. I will hold my share, and I will never at this time sell my shares. Static support and resistance help me to reach my decision to keep my share. I will not pay this share now. Okay. Dynamic support. No, this teach me that or tell me there is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, and you see this make diagonal. Okay, so dynamic tell me, okay, yeah, when you make this imagination line, you know that an uptrend or downtrend. But in static, we know we reach that it's sideways. This image, it will be accurate for you. Can you see the line of the uptrend and sideways, two lines of the sideways? Could you see that?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, sideways is the static. At this point, I will not buy because I don't know the price of the price of the stock will reverse to up or down. Okay. ثانية واحدة. Wait, sorry. Psychology behind support and resistance. Financial in given financial market, there are typically three types of participants at any given price of level. Okay, psychology is included to my decision. Of course, everything's included. Okay, now people they short decision. Short decision mean now I will buy. It's a short decision. Okay, but long decision, no. The short decision is selling, and long decision I will buy the stock and keep it with me for a long time, and I don't know when I will buy it, sell it. Okay. In this case, the price will fail, so I will sell my share because I don't want to lose my money. I love my money, so that it's psychological. So at this point, I will sell. That my decision and my feelings and my brain like tell me, come on, sell this stock. And second decision, buy low, sell high. I will buy you this stock is the peak of the uptrend, and now the starting downtrend. I will wait for the peak or of the downtrend, right? And then I will buy. Because when make a reversal to uptrend, I will sell it. So buy low and sell high. So I will buy my stock or my preferred stock. For another people, they don't know what they have this decision set. I don't know what I have to do. Keep my chair or I will sell it. I don't know. So it's not important for me right now. But this case, it's a four-side way. But stop loss is the peak, the first option. Sell is the peak of trend. But the third option, buy, is the peak of the downtrend. But the third option or third category of the people is the sideway. They don't know the the price will be reversed to uptrend or downtrend. So they wait for making new action of the market to know I will buy or I will sell, or I will keep my share for another opportunity. Okay, candles. To know candles, we have two types of candles. Green, it means the closing price, the ending price is higher than opening. I open my price at 10.30, okay, or 10.5, okay, but it closed at 11, so it's high. So the candle is green or white. According to different websites, it make the candle white or green. Okay, second candle, it's mean the opening price is higher than closing. I open my opening price of the stock is 11, but it closed at 10.5. So I lose at this transactions. My stock is lose 50%. 50%. Okay. These points help me to reach the candles. The second candles will be help me to decide I will buy this share or not. Some sign that warning me I have to sell right now. Some, not all, because it's wild. Okay, we will take some points or some candles, and if we take another session, inshallah, we will learn more and more, and more candles and more tricks to teach them. Okay, first of all, shooting star. What means shooting star? It means the closing price is the from the bottom. Okay, it's open at on 11.5 and the closing at 10. So it's big. يعني, it's different. Okay, it's make my decision. Yeah, this candle closed at lower price from opening. Right? The shooting star tell me that, because and this shadow it's mean the black part of the candle. So the shadow of upper, it tell me no, this candle sign that will be appear downtrend, and very aggressive downtrend, will not down by sideway, and over sideway I have to think I will sell my stock. No, I will keep it. I don't know. No, when you see that, just sell your stock right now. Bearish pattern, it mean comes after uptrend. It's that sign that tell me we have reached the uptrend. You have to sell right now to stop loss, to make a stop loss. Yeah, I have appear, everybody. I told you that you have to sell your share to stop loss, because they are very aggressive to downtrend. Okay, doji candle. We have three types of doji candle. Two types from it tell me this candle, there will happen a downtrend, but third type is tell me I have to buy. We will learn it now. Doji candle, normal candle, or long legend, it's come after uptrend. Okay, the peak of uptrend, that warning there are downtrend, and I have two stop loss. opening and the closing price are equal. There's no difference. I have opened my prices at 10.5 and closed this share of these transactions at 10.5. No loss, no gain. So that means that the transactions uh, of the stock not good right now. The volatility not good right now. The volume of the people who buy or sell not good. No one want this share. It's normal. In the different, like when I see shares of BMW, example for BMW, the volume of the BMW share buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. So the closing price and the opening price for every or each transaction will different. But this case, no. Opening price equal closing price. Gravestone, its closing price at the lowest of the day. It's mean transactions. Okay, my first transaction, I have to closing price at first transaction, opening transaction, it's 10.5. Second transaction closed at 10.3. Second transaction kaza kaza and else. Okay, and the last transaction is the bottom of the price, the gravestone. It's their closing price is 5. Example for 5. So my opening price is 10.5 and the closing price is example for 5. Okay, so the lowest of the day. It has longer upper shadow, like you see, like this line. More pairs trend, there's a loss. There will happen a loss. So you have to, when you see doji for these two types, you have to sell, because it's very, very, very important sign that tell you I have to sell right now. Okay, for Dragonfly tell me the closing price are at the highest of the day or highest of the transactions. Why? I open my price at 10.5 and closing the price at 20. So it means I have to buy right now because it's starting of uptrend. There is no downtrend right now. Target cloud tell me it's come after uptrend. This candle appears after green candle or white candle, and dark cloud is black candle or red. So how we can reach this a dark cloud cover? When the candle is more than 50% of the other candle before it. So it's dark cloud. This mean there is maybe sideway, and after this sideway, the downtrend of this after this sideway will appear. Downtrend will appear. So you have to make a decision to keep your share and wait to another sign. But it's a sign, but we have to make it accurate, okay, for another sign to sell. Okay, hanging man, black or white candles, as we say. If it's black, so we have to sell. If it's white, so it's being starting uptrend. It's a long lower tail, like a hammer, but it's hanging man because hammer D is another candle, but it's like it. The lower tail should be 2 or 3 times the highest of the body. Okay, this is the tail. If this line is the longer than the body of the candle. This red or this green, the line is longer than it. Okay, different than dark cloud. No, bearish pattern during up and uptrend. Okay, if it's green, there is bearish pattern. But if it red, there's bullish pattern, and there is starting off downtrend. So in case it's green, I have to buy. In case it's red, I have to sell right now. And this a man who loses his money right now. We have to sell. We have to buy right now. In these cases, when I see these signs, I have to buy right now. Like this businessman, bullish. What's mean bullish? It consists of a small black body, okay? Contain within the fluid large white or green, okay? Yeah, it's mean not after sideways, no. When the white candles or green candles appears more than one time, this mean there is a starting of uptrend. So I will buy at the bottom of uptrend and then sell my stocks. Sell my stocks at the peak of the uptrend. Pricing line hammer pattern. Pricing line is the different of the dark cloud. It's dark cloud comes after green candle, but pricing line comes after what? Comes after black or a red candle. Yeah, this means that shareholders starting to buy this share, so the candles change from red to green. So that means the volume and demand of this stock or this share is very high and starting to increase. So the price of the stock will be increased too. Hammer pattern. It's sign the different. It's same Bardo, same to hangman, red and green. But in hammer pattern, we have red or green. It's sign that could be uptrend if it's green. So I must buy shares, and when uptrend start, when the uptrend start, our peak, we start to the peak of the uptrend, we have to sell and gain profit. This session, inshallah, we will take more tools to buy or sell, indicators, time to hold. I will know this time I have to hold, and this time I have to sell my shares. Let's make many practice at this website. We can trading. Okay, I want you all to talk and tell me about any name of the company of the Pakistan. We can make technical analysis on it. Big number. Okay, let's make technical chart right now. When I make a long session, it's mean I buy this share and I will keep it with me, and I don't know when I will sell it. So I take a long position, but short position. I have the share and I sell it right now. So I take a short session. It's not related to the time. No, it's related to that decision. If you keep the share, so you are long possession. But if you if you want to sell your share, so you are on what? Short session. After we point technical analysis, technical chart. I don't want this chart, so I will make it candles. As you can see, it's daily, right? Every candle is 1 day of transaction. So this candle is the transaction of this day. This candle is 21/7. Okay, right now I will draw support and resistance from this tool, and I will choose trend line from the peak of the candle. I will draw it. Okay, this is what the resistance. Every time the price may think they can break the limit or break the resistance, no, it reverses down, up, but not break or can't break the limit I have drawn right now. And trend line, another trend line for support. At this point, the price have changed at break the what? The support. As you can see, so it's tell me that there is a trading or aggressive trading right now from selling or buying. Okay, our candle right now, this mean we have hanging man, big candle with the high shadow. After that, green candle. That sign me there is maybe baby uptrend. Okay, baby uptrend. So I will buy at this point, or to avoid risk. For me, for my opinion, I will buy at this candle. Why? Because it's the starting of what? Of uptrend. When it break the support and then reverse to break the resistance, it means it can be support and resistance for same time at the same time. At this for this candle, right, is what it's support, but for this candle it's resistance. Okay, so it's break the support and break this. It's sign to me there will be starting uptrend. So I right now I made the long decision and buy share from this candle of this position. Okay, and I will sell at this candle. Why? Because the one doji, as you can see right now, doji. So doji, we have said when we see doji, we have to sell right now. After doji, we have a big red candle. It's sign that the volatility of buying and sharing not good right now. As we can see, the price of the transaction today is low. The closing price is low. Why? Because of these candles. Red, green, red, green, red, green. Maybe it's starting sideways and making an inverted uptrend or uptrend, and we don't know. But I think we have to sell the share at this candle, this point. When it reverses to new uptrend, so I will buy again and sell at the peak of the uptrend. Okay. How can I know the volume of the transaction? How can I know that people buy more or sell more from this? This is the volume of the transaction. When it's red, it's mean, as you can see right now. ثانية واحدة. Wait a minute. This candle is red, right? And volume is red too. It's mean the shareholders have or had sell their shares at this transaction. Okay, but in this candle, it's green. At green what? At green volume. It means the shareholders have buy more and more, and the volatility of buying the share is high. So at this point, I will buy. Okay. Uh, and that's the end of the lecture today, or the course today.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for this wonderful information. So we are ending our session here. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being here with us for this wonderful session. So goodbye, everyone.